tour of the new Amazon Echo Plus with a smart home hub built right in. Now it's easy to set up and control your smart home using just your voice. You can play your music, get the news and weather, check your calendar, and more, hands-free. To get the attention of your device, say the wake word, Alexa. You'll know your device is ready when the light ring turns blue. Echo is designed around your voice, so you can ask all kinds of questions, like, Alexa, what's the weather in Mumbai this weekend?
This weekend in Mumbai will be sunny with a high of 30 and a low of 25.
Alexa, what is India's cricket score?
India has scored 253 runs in the first innings for 7 wickets.
And when your hands are full, you can set a timer. Just say, Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
When the timer sounds, you say, Alexa, stop. To set up compatible smart home devices, just say, Alexa, discover my devices.
Discovery is complete. I found one new light called First Light. To control it, say turn off first light.
Turn off first light.
Okay.
You can even use the Alexa app to control and monitor your smart home when away. Once you've set up your contact list in the Alexa app, you can message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app on their phone. Alexa, call Pooja.
Calling Pooja. Sanjay is calling.
Alexa, answer the call. Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play popular songs.
Playing the top Bollywood songs.
And with multi-room music, you can play music on your supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play music in the living room.
Playing your music in living room.
And remember, Alexa is always getting smarter. And with thousands of skills, Alexa can help you take control of your busy life. Be sure to explore the Alexa mobile app or ask Alexa, what can I do, for even more fun ideas.